What's up, guys? So, diamonds are a rare and valuable resource in Minecraft, and finding them can sometimes be a challenge. But don't worry, this guide will show you the best ways to find diamonds in version 1.21 so you will never struggle again. So, first of all, let me tell you, where can we find diamonds? Diamonds are usually found underground in the overworld, usually in ore veins of 1 to 8 blocks. They only generate below Y level 15 and are most commonly found around Y level minus 58. You need at least an iron pickaxe or a similar one to mine them. Using a pickaxe with enchanted with fortune, it increases your chance of getting multiple diamonds for a single ore block. Okay, so our first best diamond mining method is branch mining. Branch mining is one of the most effective and reliable methods, and here's how to do it. So, what you're gonna do is just from the surface, you're gonna dig down to level Y minus 58, and then you're gonna create a 2 into 2 tunnel in any direction. Here I have done it already. The space going this way and this way is naturally formed. So from those tunnels, you're gonna dig multiple 1 into 2 tunnels branching out to both sides like this. You can see. And the thing is, each branch tunnel should be about 30 blocks long. If you find diamonds, extend that branch up to 40 blocks. So as you can see, I didn't find diamonds here. I did find diamond here. I didn't extend it. I just went to the other side. I don't know why. Here I did found diamonds. I kept extending it. And here I found just regular gold. And then for this diamond, I also extended it. And this one also converged to a cave. So as you can see, we have to keep each tunnel about 2 blocks apart. This way you can cover more space efficiently. With just an iron unenchanted pickaxe, this method can yield you an average of about 49 diamonds in 40 minutes, roughly 1.23 diamonds per minute. And this is pretty much for this method. And now we're gonna go over to the next method. Okay, so basically, our second method is underwater cave exploration. This is the lesser known method is surprisingly effective since diamonds are less exposed to air in the 1.18 plus cave generation, but water isn't air. There are more common in underwater caves. Go to an ocean biome and find an underwater cave like the one I found and or a ravine that leads to deep slate levels. So as you can see, I have applied a night vision potion to myself because it's easier to see in the dark. So basically, you don't need a water breathing potion. What you can use are these magma blocks to help you breathe, or you can just put a door like this one I did previously, and you can get yourself air pockets. Explore carefully and don't stay in the cave too long. So as you can see, these are some natural forming blocks. So this method can also save your pickaxe durability as compared to branch mining. So that's pretty much for this guide. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel.